Patrol ready for action, Riders, sir!
As you know, a bunch of wild bunnies have shown up at our Easter festival. So for this mission, I'll need Rocky. I need you to use your catapult to toss out treats and lure the bunnies into this carrier.
Green means hop to it.
All right, PAW Patrol is on a roll.
That's not a duck. Look, Julius, it's a little bunny. Aww. I've got this. Come here, bunny, bunny, bunny. I know you want these tasty carrots. Gotcha! Thanks, Rocky. Oh, no, look. There's still one more. Whiskers is on top of the Ferris wheel.
Sky, we need you at the Ferris wheel with your copter and basket. Whiskers is in trouble.
This puppy's gotta fly. I've got a visual on Whiskers.
Please be careful. He startles easily.
Everyone be perfectly still.
Basket. Slow and steady. All right, little buddy. Now just hop on in there. Easy does it.
Oh, goody! My turn to ride!
Oh, no! Uh-oh. Bunnies can't fly. But good thing pups can.
Awesome catch, Sky!
Yay! She did it!
Thank you all so much for saving the fair, and especially for saving those adorable little bunnies.
Whenever bunnies are in trouble, just hippity-hop for help.
PAW Patrol ready for action, Riders, sir.
Somehow, Farmer Al's cow Bettina wound up on Jake's mountain. We need to get her down before the blizzard gets worse.
Oh, no. That's not good.
So for this mission, I'll need Everest
Ice or snow, I'm ready to go.
and Sky.
Let's take to the sky.
All right, PAW Patrol is on a roll.
Arf, arf. Snowboard. Easy, cowgirl. We'll get you down.
Sky, pull out of there. The wind's too strong.
Standing down. But we need to do something fast. Bettina looks scared. Don't worry, Bettina. We'll get you out of here somehow. Too bad cows can't snowboard, huh, Ryder?
Everest, that's a great idea. Rocky, I've got a mission for you.
How can I help, Ryder?
I need you to use your awesome building skills to make a cow-sized snowboard super fast.
Green means go! You're gonna do great! Okay, Bettina, time to move! Cowabunga! That's it, Bettina! Shift your weight! Turn those shoulders! You did it, Bettina! You're one hot dog and cow!
Bettina, we're so happy to have you back.
Thanks, Ryder and Pups. You saved our cow and taught her a new sport.
You're welcome, Farmer Al. Whenever your cow gets snowbound, just yell for help.
PAW Patrol ready for action, Riders, sir!
Thanks for hurrying, Pups. It looks like Mayor Humdinger has somehow gotten himself trapped inside a giant chocolate bunny.
Who knew that Mayor Humdinger was really a big sweetie?
Well, now he's being carried off into the woods, and it's up to us to rescue him. So for this mission, I'll need Spy Chase
Spy Chase is on the case.
and Sky.
Let's take to the sky.
All right, PAW Patrol is on a roll. Help! Sky, lower your harness.
Roger that, Ryder.
Uh-oh. Sky, hurry! The sun's melting the chocolate. Chase, go to the bottom of the gorge and get your net ready. You got it!
What's happening?
Oh no! I almost had it! Rough net! wrong Flopsy!
Help me!
Zuma, we need you and your hovercraft stat.
Let's dive in. Now we just need to get that bunny to shore. Ryder, we've got a problem.
Oh yeah, those dolphins look way too close. Zuma, I need you to tow the bunny to shore, and fast.
Ow! Ooey!
What's happening?
Mayor Humdinger, grab the buoy!
Well, it took you long enough, but thank you for the rescue.
You're welcome, Mayor Humdinger. Whenever you're stuck inside a chocolate bunny, just yelp for help.
Paw Patrol ready for action, Ryder, sir!
Chickaletta and Roosterio are rolling around on Danny's glider board.
Oh, Roosterio!
We've got to stop them. So for this mission, I'll need Chase
Chase is on the case.
and Sky.
Let's take to the sky.
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Thank goodness you're here. Please, save our chickens.
Leave it to us. Sky, any luck?
Goggles. I see them, Ryder. Ryder, now they're on Farmer Yumi's truck.
Is something wrong, Ryder?
We're chasing down some chickens.
And there they are. Case closed. And there they go. Case unclosed. I'm on their tails, Ryder. This drone is flying too wildly to catch. Now it's headed right over the water.
Zuma, I need you for a speedy ocean rescue. And there's something special I want you to bring along.
Ready, set, get wet. Hang on, dudes. Help is on the way. Rescue Corn Cob! Way to go, Zuma.
Thank you, Paw Patrol, for saving my precious Chickaletta.
And my far more precious Roosterio.
Whenever you're in trouble, just cock-a-doodle-doo yelp for help.
Paw Patrol ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Rubble is stranded on an alien planet, and it sounds like he's stuck.
Uh-oh.
So for this space mission, I'll need Chase.
Chase is ready for space.
Great. I'll also need Rocky.
Woof! Green means go.
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll. Hi, Chase. Is Rubble okay?
Hi, Ryder. Rubble looks okay, but he's, making funny sounds.
He'll be okay once he's home.
Oh. Uh-oh. Looks like your paw's caught. Woof! Claw! Rough! Net! Hop on, Rubble! Ryder! Pups! Help! Hey, look! There's Rubble. Huh? But if Rubble's down there, then... you're not Rubble.
That's not Rubble. It's an alien Rubble. Rubble has a double.
Guys, I hope you can hear me because I need your help.
Looks like Rubble's still down there. We need to rescue him fast.
Sky! Rocky, Chase, Zuma, you're all here and ready to help. Rough, net. Hop on, dude. Woohoo! All right.
Yeah.
Thanks, Pups.
Hola, Carlos. Tracker, what's up?
Someone is going to destroy the whole jungle to build a raceway. Whoever it is has the Paw Patroller and is covered in cheetah spots.
Ugh, the cheetah. What are we gonna do, Ryder?
Pops, meet the new Paw Patroller.
Patrol ready for action, Riders, sir!
Robodog, take us to the jungle!
I'm gonna knock down every single tree! That's the biggest tree I've ever seen! If I knock that one down, it will flatten the entire jungle! Cheetah for the win!
Uh-oh, that's not good. It looks like the cheetah's aiming for that big giant tree right ahead.
We've got to stop her before she knocks over that big tree!
Robodog, back up right behind her! Quick, Rebel, deploy the tow hook!
Got it!
Robodog, full power! We have to save the cheetah!
Our cables!
Oh. Thanks, Ryder. You and the Paw Patrol saved the jungle.
Whenever a cheating cheetah tries to knock down your trees, just yell for help.
Paw Patrol ready for action, Riders, sir!
Mayor Humdinger's kitties are trapped in Toodle's clown car and it's racing out of control. So for this mission, I'll need Chase
Chase is on the case.
and Sky.
Let's take to the sky.
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Don't worry, kitties. Someone other than me will save you.
We have to power it down. Sky, lower Toodles down onto the car. Now, Toodles, pull out the key.
Do you have any oil in your hat to help loosen it?
Oh no, the oil made the roof slippery.
He did it!
Great job, Toodles.
Oh, my kitties. They're safe. Yeah. Whoa. Help!
Rocky, Zuma, we need backup.
Green means go! Let's dive in! You'd better hurry. He's heading right for Alex's party.
Watch out! My cake is gonna get ruined by Mayor Humdinger.
Not on my watch. You saved my cake and my party. Thanks, Paw Patrol.
You're welcome, Alex. Whenever clowning gets out of control, just for help.
Paw Patrol ready for action, Riders, sir.
Thanks for hurrying, Pups. One of Mayor Humdinger's kitties is stuck in a tree. Well, at least I think it's a kitty. Anyway, it's up to us to get it down. So for this mission, I'll need Marshall. I need you to use your ladder to reach the kitty.
I'm ready for a rough rescue.
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Hurry, Paw Patrol. My beauty is still stuck up there.
Don't worry, Mayor Humdinger. The pups and I will rescue your... Is that your mustache?
Well, of course it's my mustache. What did you think I meant?
It's okay, Mayor. We've got this.
Wow, Alex, it's even better than the real thing.
Oh! I gotta rescue my mustache myself. You won't get away from me this time. Oh, drat. This marker mustache is untwirlable.
Mayor Humdinger, wait!
At last, nothing can stop me from getting my beauty back where it...
Come on, this way. Shh. You made it. You're okay.
I am, but my mustache is still in there.
We're not giving up yet, Rocky.
Got it. Ta-da!
My mustache. Oh, I missed you so much.
Paw Patrol ready for action, Riders, sir.
Engineer Ed just told me that the train with all the carnival equipment is stuck in the tunnel.
Aw, all the kids will be so disappointed.
That's why we have to make sure the train reaches the fairgrounds. So for this mission, I'll need rubble
Rubble on the double.
and Rocky.
Green means go.
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Am I glad to see you? Huh, what a crummy time to get stuck.
It'll be okay. Just show us where you're stuck. Oh, I can see how it got caught. Rubble, can you make that tunnel wider?
Arf, drill.
Rocky, let's put that cargo back where it belongs, and this train should just roll through.
I'm on it. How's this look, Ryder?
Great, Rubble, and the cargo car's almost straightened out.
I just have one more thing to load. Come here, you have to see this.
Nice and secure. Let's get going. We'll ride here to make sure everything stays put.
And I'll finish cleaning up.
Engineer Ed, we're all aboard. Let's go set up the carnival.
Did you see how I looked in that funhouse mirror? My legs look so wobbly.
I sure did.
That big clown in the box made me jump so high.
Hey, thanks.
Oh, thank you. We wouldn't have had the carnival without the Paw Patrol.
You're welcome. Whenever your train gets stuck, just yelp for help.
Sea Patrol ready for action, Captain Ryder, sir.
Mayor Humdinger took some water walking shoes, and now he's headed for Turtle Island. But it's surrounded by dangerous rocks, and he could get hurt. So for this mission, I'll need rubble. I need you to use your rig to move the rocks so we can reach the island.
Rubble on the double.
All right, Sea Patrol is on a roll.
There it is. Land ho! Ah! Bah! I can't get these off. Oh, forget it. I have an island to claim. I pronounce this island Soggy Foggy Bottom. Come back, you pinchy flag swiper! Ah! A pit on my island? Ha! I didn't approve this.
I can put all the rocks back when we leave, Ryder.
Good thinking, Rubble. We don't want to change the turtle habitat. Now, where's Mayor Humdinger?
That way.
Come on, Pups! It looks like a pit where a turtle lays its eggs. Uh-oh, the mother turtle isn't gonna like Mayor Humdinger in her nest. Rubble, use your crane.
Roger that.
Hang tight, Mayor. We'll get you out. Hurry, Mayor.
Oh no, that moving mountain doesn't like mayors. Get me out of here! Thanks for pulling me out of there, Paw Patrol. Being around that big turtle is, well, the pits.
No problem, Mayor. Whenever you're in too deep, just yelp for help. Check your local TV listings for full episodes.